Hello everyone, welcome back to the Online Help Guide. I'll be showing you how to create a business account on Pinterest in this video. Let's get started. First, open Pinterest on your device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Go to Account Management. Tap on Convert to a business account. Tap on Convert Account at the bottom. Now type in your brand's name. Tap on Next. Enter your website if you have any. Now it will ask you to describe your business. Select from the given list. Then tap on Next. Now choose if you ever plan to run ads on Pinterest or not. Then tap on Next again. And that is how to create a business account on Pinterest. You can start creating your own pins and posting them. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.